See if I can make it out to the street. On the edge, I'm about in the middle of the street right here. Yeah, this is the middle. A little bit out of the wind here. Looks like that drip that's in front of the house wraps all the way around to the west side. About the same height. Can't see the fire or the ambulance shack from here. But when it clears, I can see drips that are got to be at least 8 feet deep. But this is probably about 5 foot here. Maybe 6, if I can move. There we go. I'm standing on pavement right here. I can see pavement and stand on it. Our neighbors, their Jeep is buried. Almost. The snow's on top and up the side of it. So is their camper, it looks like. Pretty well covered. Not buried though. I can barely see the roof of my car right here. Roof of my car is right in front of me. See if I can get to it. Standing on the trunk of my car. Walking around. Yeah. Little drop off there. See if I can get back up. Up to my butt and snow again slid off the roof. Feel like a beached whale. Catch my breath for a second. It's a little loose around the side of my car, but the whole side there is covered with snow. Temperature-wise ain't bad out here. I'm out of the wind. It's actually kind of comfy, so to say. It's not too bad. It's just when the snow gets in your face and burns it. I think I'm pretty well covered now. I was out here once earlier. I find if I'm walking my tracks, it's pretty well packed and a little easier to get around on.
Boxes that are in the middle, in front of that coat. So.
Yeah.
Over here at my old house, walking on grass right now. Neighbors across the street, big drift, got to be at least 8-10 foot deep. This side of my house is fairly buried. I can walk up to the roof on one spot if I wanted to, but I think I'd sink through. But it's just that deep. No drift, now you see me. I'm walking on the grass. Standing flat-footed on the ground. My three-wheelers. There's the back end of one. Hey, I can see the back end of the other one right here. Plus the handlebars. Wish I could have got them out of the snow. That's about it for what it's doing right now. Day 2 of the blizzard. This is Matt.
Oh, look at that line on his hat where the scar was.
Yeah. Needed 2 hats. This one wasn't enough. I feel bad. I went out, walked 100 yards, and I feel like I ran 3 miles.